We're gathered here in the sight of God and in the face of this company to unite this man, Brent Driver, and this woman, Sydney Monsey, in the holy bonds of marriage.
I've been thinking about you and how you made me sing.
Over the last 4 years that I've known them, their relationship has grown and matured so much. Like anything in life worth having, marriage takes work. Love is a friendship that's caught fire, so may your love burn bright for years to come. Here's to my best friend and her new best friend. I couldn't be happier for the two of you, and I wish you nothing but a lifetime of happiness.
To the deepest of oceans, where love is all I breathe. I'm learning your temperature, I'm learning your space.
I am honored to be able to look at Brent today and call him my son. I've watched you guys grow over these last couple of years. I knew the time was coming. I could feel it. Looked down at my phone one day and it said, "That boy." And by the way, it says Brent now in my phone. But it said, "That boy," and I answered, and it's, "Mr. Monsees, do you mind if I talk to you for a minute?" These emotions just hit me and I knew it was coming. We just couldn't be happier.
Sid, I'm so grateful that we got to grow up alongside of each other. Always remember that you were smart, beautiful, compassionate, strong, and deserving of the absolute best that life has to offer. And Brent, make sure you give her all of that.
Funny enough, I actually remember telling Brent the night that I met Sydney how much I love Sydney, and he better, and I quote, not do anything stupid to screw it up. I believe there are friends, there are family, and then there are friends who become family. And I truly consider both Brent and Sydney my family.
I can't take a breath when you're not there.
We love you, Sydney!
You're my reason, you're my air.
I guess now it's time for me to look at Sydney. I don't know if I can. And it's time for me to step aside and say my job is done. And I also want you to know and always remember that I'm the father of the bride, and I will always be by your side.
I'm learning your patience, I'm learning your grace. I'll keep moving towards you now. We'll never fade. I can't take a breath when you're not there. You're my reason, you're my air. You're all I want to have and hold.
You have given your vows and pledged yourselves to each other, acting in the authority invested in me by the laws of this state. I now, according to the ordinances of God and as a minister of His gospel, pronounce you husband and wife. Brent, you may kiss your bride.
Open your eyes, we're making the climb, we're taking the dive. dreams on the horizon, our fears leave them behind us now. There's no time for stalling. The wild is calling. Risk it all, you learn to feel alive.
I'd like to ask everyone to join me in toasting the newlywed couple and wishing them nothing but the best in their new adventure. To Brent and Sydney. Cheers.
Oh, reaching for new heights. Oh, into the daylight. So open your eyes, we're making the climb, taking the dive deep into the wild. Deep into the wild. Deep into the risk it all, you learn to feel alive. Oh, searching for new life. Oh, reaching for new heights. Whoa, into the daylight. So open your eyes, we're making the climb, taking the dive deep into the wild. The wild is calling. The wild is calling now. The wild is calling. There's no time, oh.